If you don't do this when you pick up an impact, you're not a real mechanic. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got the rear half assembled, everything's centered out. We're getting the front axle put under it right now.
And it's done.
All right, guys.
All attached. Of course, I want to rip the foam off, but Super Anal Boy over there won't let me take all the damn foam off. Like it's his present or something, and I'm going to take that unwrapping for him.
Shop's a mess right now, but this is it. Main parts are put back on. The lift is on. My dad's not letting me live down him not letting the foam come off of it yet, but we're not done working on it yet, so I'm not gonna peel that stuff just yet. But this thing is looking awesome.
All right, guys. Bye. Close up shop for the night, and we'll see you tomorrow.